In the days of Aristotle and Socrates, Caesar and Pericles, running for elective office required an ability to speak or write handbills and avoid the daggers of your enemies. It wasn't until the advent of radio and then television that political campaigns and political consulting really began to hop. Since 1960, we've mastered direct mail, robocalling, and micro-targeting, with the rules for delivering our candidates' messages evolving at a manageable pace. That pace is about to change beyond anything our profession has ever seen. And the consultants who intend to keep up should beat a path to Santa Monica for the AAPC 2008 Polly's Awards and Conference, Campaigns and Communication 2008. Digital media has now expanded to the point where campaigns of any size can use internet video messages to accomplish 4 key things at a fraction of the cost. Spread the message, interact with voters to survey what they really think, raise money, and get out the vote. To give you a demonstration of what you will see in detail at the 2008 American Association of Political Consultants Conference, click on the video button on the left menu bar to get a feel for Santa Monica. Click on the Documents button to see a recent New York Times travel page article about Santa Monica and to see the conference agenda. Click on the Listen button to hear a special message from past President Nancy Todd Tyner. When you've done that, just click on the Register button to the left to sign up for the conference. We look forward to seeing you in sunny California. The revolution has begun.